Welcome students in class 5. Today we will go through the exercise part of our first chapter which we have already done. The name of the chapter is Globe. So let's start with the tick the correct answers. First is the line of longitude which passes through Greenwich is called. Right answer is prime meridian. Next, second, a globe is a dash of the earth. What is the right answer? Right answer is model. A globe is a model of the earth. Third is the total number of meridians is, the answer is 360. Fourth, the equator is, answer is 0 degree latitude. And the last, the Tropic of Cancer is located at, the right answer is 23.5 degree north. Now next, fill in the blanks. A globe can be easily rotated on a line called an axis. The answer of first is axis. Second, the end point at the top of the globe is called the dash, and at the bottom of the globe is called the dash. Students, if you have seen the chapter properly or you understand, then you can easily answer the question. The answer is North Pole and South Pole. Third one is dash is an imaginary line that divides the earth in two halves. What is the right answer? The answer is equator. Equator is a imaginary line that divides the earth in two halves. Fourth, the line of longitude which passes through dash in UK is called the dash. The right answer is the line of longitude which passes through Greenwich in UK is called the prime meridian. And the fifth and the last, longitudes to the east of Greenwich are called dash. The answer is east longitude, and to the west are called west longitude. You can refer the answers. Now next, write T for true and F for the false statements. Read the first one. The earth is flat at poles and round at the equator. This statement is true. We will write T. Second is, inflatable globes are very handy. This statement is also true. Third, axis is an imaginary line. Yes, this statement is also correct. Fourth, the equator divides the earth into two equal halves. This statement is again also right. The equator is the smallest longitude. No, this statement is wrong, because equator is the largest latitude. Next is, the lines of longitudes are 360 in number. Yes, it is true. The prime meridian also divides the earth into two equal halves. Yes, this statement is also true. And the last, the latitudes and longitudes together form a network called grid. Yes, the statement definition of grid is again true. Now next, match the following. This is again very easy, students. You can easily do it. What is the answer for Arctic Circle? The right answer for Arctic Circle is 66.5 by north. Tropic of Cancer, this. And the third one, it is this one. And for Tropic of Capricorn, note down. Now coming to the question answer part. Answer these questions. Question number 1. Who confirmed that the earth is spherical in shape? Answer is explorers and astronauts have confirmed that the earth is spherical in shape? Question number 2. How many types of globes are there? Globes are of various types and sizes. Big one, small pocket globes, and globes like balloons. Okay? Question number 3. Why do we need a globe? Why do we need a globe? We need a globe to see the correct shapes, position and location of all the continents, countries and oceans on the globe. Next question, question number 4. What is an axis? What is the answer? It is a line that joins the North Pole and the South Pole. Coming to the next question. Question number 5. Explain the meaning of lines of latitudes. The lines parallel to the equator are called lines of latitude. Next question, question number 6. Write the names of the 4 special latitudes that you have learnt. What are the names? They are the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn, the Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle. Now question number 7. What are the lines of longitude? What do you mean by lines of longitude? The lines that run from the North Pole to the South Pole are of equal length and their total number is 360, are called meridians or lines of longitude. Students, you can correct one spelling that the North Pole spelling is not correct. Write it Pole. Question number 8. Which meridian divides the earth into 2 equal parts? How? The prime meridian divides the earth into eastern and western hemispheres. The region east of the prime meridian is the eastern hemisphere and the region west of the prime meridian is the western hemisphere. And this again, sorry, but there is a mistake. It is not a region, it is a region. REGION. Students, please correct it. Now next, question number 9. How does a grid help us? How does a grid help us? It will help us to locate a place or to know our location. It is an effective design which is generally to find a particular location of a place on the globe or map. Last question number 10. How will you locate your city on the globe? This you have to solve by yourself. Write down all the answers in your fair copy and learn it. Our chapter is completed and our exercise is also completed.